Hey guys, just wanted to make a recycle and reuse video for you guys again. I've been slacking, I haven't been doing them lately, and I just want to give some helpful tips to anybody. Don't mind this mess. This is my rack with all my gift bags. There's gift boxes down there, and then it goes right on up to wrapping paper and basket wrap. It's a big old mess right now. But my tip is, in my area, we can't recycle gift bags for some reason. He tells us to throw gift bags in the garbage, that and wrapping paper. But I recycle everything. So like all my gift bags I get, if they're in good shape when I get them, I keep them and I reuse them. Or another tip that you can do with gift bags, sorry, I'm getting all tongue-tied, is, wait now. Okay, just for example, this is a Christmas one, but like say if you have a gift bag that has a beautiful scenery on it, and the bag, the sides are tore out or the handles are no good, don't throw it out. If this bag is like got a hole in the bottom or it's frayed on the sides or the handles are broke, cut the whole piece of the bag out in front and get yourself a picture frame, and you can hang this on your wall at Christmas. Now, I'm going to show you a cute little idea my sister done with this. She done it for me many years ago. You guys might have seen it in my Christmas decorating videos, but I'll show you how she recycled a gift bag. And here is what my sister made for me for Christmas. This picture here is a picture from a gift bag. And she just went to a local dollar store, bought a frame for it, and she put it in a frame. And I'll show you something else. There you go. I flicked the switch on it. It lights up. So what she done, she put like little tiny pinholes in amongst it, and she put multicolored fairy lights in, and it lights up for Christmas. And the little controller is just up here. She got it stuck on one of those 3M things so it can easily come off. And that was her idea for doing gift bags. There's birthdays. You can get ones like for the summer with summer sceneries and everything on them. Like this one here. This one got a moose. I bought this one for putting my husband's gift in. You could put this in a picture frame, put it on your wall. Okay, another thing you can do, once you take the picture out and put it in a frame, these strings here, if you're like me, I got a pet cat, she sees that, she'll start tearing at that. I buy her expensive toys, she never plays with them. She'd rather this. So I let her play with that until it gets frayed up, and then I throw it out. These tags that's on the gift bags, if they're not used and they're blank, like this, I keep them. Like I'll take the string and I'll pull it through. And when you wrap a gift for somebody, like say a birthday or any occasion, take this and tape it on and use it as a gift tag. That's what I does, because gift tags for like year round, like for birthdays, and special occasions, hard to find. The only time you can get gift tags is usually around Easter and Christmas, which is weird. You can't find ones for birthdays and stuff. Another tip for recycling too is, you see this here? This is a Christmas card my brother sent me. I like the picture, so I kept it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it down to size, or I might leave it like with the silver pieces on the side and put it in a picture frame. I got one done from many years ago. I'll show you. This is the one I made. This one is from years ago. It's kind of faded. It's been sitting in my fireplace mantle for many years, so it's a little bit faded out. But look, that's the picture frame that it's in. I just bought this down at my local dollar store and put the card in there. And it's been on my mantle ever since. It's a bit faded out, like I said, but it's still really nice. So this is just a couple of tips. I have lots more, and I'm going to make lots more videos for you guys on recycling, reusing. These were just some easy ones that I've been doing for years, and I figured I'd show you guys some good tips for them. I have lots more to come, so I'll catch you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.